Welcome back viewers. In today's video we are going to do a detailed review of the Modicia OS desktop. So Modicia OS desktop is nothing but the Mac Cinnamon desktop. It is a modded Cinnamon desktop. They have developed the Cinnamon desktop to their needs and they have created a fork of Cinnamon desktop that is called Mac Cinnamon. Let us test it out along with the features, utilities, tools and applications that are available in Modicia OS. So this is the bootloader and you can see the kernel is 6.12.48. It is a Debian kernel, RT kernel. So Modicia OS comes with default RT kernel and it is ready for professional audio video work. It is meant for mostly creators, but of course general users, office users can also use this operating system on their laptop or desktop. Even school students can use this for their education needs. This is the splash screen of Modicia OS. And you can see the Cinnamon grater is there. This is the Cinnamon grater. You have got the accessibility features, on screen keyboard, high contrast and screen reader. This is the keyboard's layout selection, time, and the power menu is there. And this is the user field and you have to input your user password to log in into the Mac Cinnamon desktop of Modicia OS. Let us see whether it scales properly to the display available. It is a good test of the configuration of system, whether it scales properly or not. No, the scaling is not properly there. And you can see here U launcher is available. I think in one of other Linux distribution U launcher was there. I don't remember, but it was there. So first thing what we will have to do is let us search for the settings, display settings. Yes. We will open display settings and first increase the resolution. Okay, so now we can go ahead. Resolution is done. But you see the issue is the dock is not scaling. Dock should be at the bottom, but it is not there. So we will have to bear with this, or we can, what we can do is we can log and log in again. Let us see if it works or not. No, it is not working. So what we can do is let us re-log in. Any way is there to log out of the system? Yes. Let us log out of the system and re-log in and see if the display resolution stays correct or not. Yes, now I think it should be properly displayed at the bottom. Where is the dock? Dock is not there. So dock is now absent. The dock should be there, but it is not there at the bottom. So I think what we'll have to do is we'll have to restart the system, unfortunately. Now the dock has come up. Okay, so dock is there at the its place. It is now, everything is properly working. So we will start with the top panel. This is nothing but a Cinnamon panel, Cinnamon desktop panel at the top. This is the menu, application menu. What is this? This is the workspace switcher. What is this? The directory menu is there. So it will show us the directories. This is the snapshot taker. You can take a screenshot. You can take a screenshot of current window, selected area, whole screen. You can record a screencast also. You can directly access the pictures and videos folder from here. Let us click on the pictures folder, whether it opens up the pictures folder or not. Let us see. And videos folder also. Yes, it is opening up the videos folder. So it should open up the pictures folder also. Let us check pictures folder whether it is working. Yes, so it is working beautifully. System configuration is properly done. Let us try to take the screenshot. Yes, you can take a window, you can take a screenshot of the selection on your window. You can show the pointer, not show the pointer. You can have a delay set. So typical screenshot application, it is working. This is the file search. You can search for files using this application. What is this? It is a Xskill. So you can, I will just open it up. It is Xskill for this audio video configuration or some other application. So let it open up. Meanwhile, info Modicia, let us see what it shows on the screen. Okay, so it is opening up the terminal, and you can see here. I will just maximize it. So this is the Caravaggio edition of Modicia OS installed in a KMU or a KVM. Kernel is 6.12.48, uptime is 4 minutes, packages is 2906, 2906 packages are there by default. Bash shell is used as default, resolution is 1920 into 1080, Cinnamon 6.4.10. So latest Cinnamon desktop is there. Whatever latest is available in the Debian stable will be available in the Modicia OS. Mutter window manager is there. Window manager theme is Queen Teodo Linda is there, and the theme King Agilulfo is there. Icons is Queen Margarita theme. Terminal is Tilix. CPU, this is system configuration. So that's it. So I think everything is working. The panels and everything, all features of the panel is working. And this shows the network performance, upload download times. This is the simple scanner and printer. This is your keyboard layouts. By default, it will work with English US keyboard, but you can toggle for the English India also. And this is your network manager. This is your simple sound settings with a link to the advanced sound settings. And this is your wired and network settings, network connections and everything. And this is your weather. So it is showing us the weather from the nearest city to my city, that is Ahmedabad, India. This is your calendar. So this is Cinnamon calendar and notifications area, and you can lock your desktop using this button. At the bottom, the dock is there. Let us check out which dock is there. Okay, dock name. So here, show desktop button is there, icon is there. Then you have got the launcher. This is, let us, okay, so this is the application launcher, and you can check out all the applications here. It's just like what we get in the Android phone. So all applications will be shown here. We will check this out a little later. First, let us come back. Okay, let us first come back to the dock. This is the run command. So it will open up the terminal. No, not terminal. You have to directly input the command in this field, and that will execute the command. Stacer is an application for system maintenance and system info. Everything you have got, you can check out the system performance here, how much disk space is used, how much memory is used. You can see here CPU usage is less than 2%, memory usage is just 1.2 GB. It is in line with the Cinnamon desktop your memory usage in Linux Mint. Disk usage is 13.2. So it is a heavy Linux distribution because lot of application tools, plugins and everything is there. Not many things are gone into the Cinnamon desktop of Modicia OS. And what is this? So here you can configure the startup applications. You can clean the package caches, crash reports, application logs, application caches, trash. You can search for files. You can configure your system services, startup status, running status, check the startup and running status for the different services. You can check out the different processes that are running in the system. You can check out the packages, total packages, which are installed on your system, and you can uninstall any package if you want. And this shows the history of CPU history of CPU load averages, history of read and write, history of memory, history of network, and the file system, how much file system is being used. So it is a complete system maintenance application. Then this shows the host manage. This is the network details of my connection, network connection, and this shows the which repositories, apt repositories that are on by default. So here you can see the Modicia OS has configured the Debian repositories as default repositories. So Debian security, Debian Trixie backports, Debian Trixie updates main. So all this is Debian, and additional there is the WineHQ repository that is on by default. And this is the configuration for Stacer itself, and you can donate for the Stacer project. Okay, so we will quit this. Next is the USB stick formatter. Let us check out which is this. It is a simple USB stick formatter, very simple application, and it works. I use this in some Linux distribution, I don't remember, but it works. Then LAN share is there. You can share your LAN with other users. So how it works and everything, we'll have to make a separate video for this. Then the AI Copilot is there. So AI Copilot, I have done some videos on the Microsoft Copilot AI. You can watch that. And now this Microsoft Copilot AI is available on Linux machines also. Let us check out the Firefox ESR version. Okay. So your AI companion is there, and you can make use of Microsoft Copilot AI for your professional work. I am not going in much details. So it is any version or it is there. Let us check out if any version or data is given. Labs, library, imagine, discover. So we will cover this in a separate video, because I have already done at least 20 videos on Microsoft Copilot and ChatGPT also. You can watch that. In the help section, let us check out the Firefox version. So it is 140.5.0 ESR. So it is a extended support release version, and it will get support for a long time. Then Clause email is there. LibreOffice is also there. Clause email setup wizard is there. This is a very good mail setup. Mail client is there. I have used this, very fantastic application. I recommend it to all of you. And this is your LibreOffice suite, which contains Writer, Calc, Impress, Drawing and Math formula applications. gthumb is your photo editor, as well as your you can say you can view the photos using gthumb. VLC media player is there. So this is the VLC media player. Let us check out the version of VLC media player. Okay, about is there. Okay, it is not opening up. And this is the, oh, what happened? Home folder. Let me check. Yes, what is gthumb? Okay, it is okay. So you can go through your photos and everything which are available in the home folder. So you can browse through that. Help. Let us see what is there in the help. So it is a complete photo management tool. Okay. And you can see in all the windows, the minimize, maximize and the close buttons are on the left side of the screen instead of the right side. So I am not used to having the buttons on the left side. This is the VLC media player. Rhythm box is there and the trash can is there. Okay, this is the rhythm box and trash can is there. So we have completed this. Now let us check out the different applications that are available. Where was that? Files, no, launcher. Yes, I think it was the launcher. Yes, so which are the different applications that are available here in Modicia OS? So AI Copilot, we have checked. App image apps are there. App image hub is there. Ardor is there. Audacity, AVDMux, backups, Bleachbit is there. Blue Griffon, Brasero, BTOP++ is there. Let us check out the BTOP++. What it shows. So total of 3.82 GB is there and used is just 1.27 GB. CPU usage is 2% and the other disk usage for the root and swap is also given. Okay. Now we will again come back to launcher. We will check out the app image hub. Here you can browse through the different applications available as a app image format in the app image format, and you can install and use those app images. So there is a app image launcher also included here in the app image hub. So there are different categories like audio, education, games, graphics, internet, office, programming, system, tools and video. So you can take the full benefit of the app images that are available on the net using this. And app image apps, which apps are available as app image? So let us check out. Okay, so this is also showing us the collection of app image or apps available as app image. So you can just browse through that systematically, category wise. Lot many applications are there, you can see here. So we got a very good collection of applications available here. Emulator, finance, Qt, video, GTK applications, sequencer applications. Okay, that's great. Then you got backups. Let us check out the backups application. Which application is this? Let us check out. Okay, this is DejaDupe backups, but they have modded the look of the application, so I could not recognize it, but it is a DejaDupe backup. That's great. I have used this. I think I have done video on how to take backups using DejaDupe. So great application and it works perfectly. Bleachbit is there. This is also a system maintenance application. You can clean the user traces, temporary files. You can share all everything. You can clean the system and keep it spick and span. So it is a system maintenance application. Now let us check out the CPU control. So CPU control is this application you can see here. It is a terminal based application, I think. Yes, it is a terminal utility. For example, graphs. You can check out and check in the different graphs you want to see on the screen. Summaries. You can see the summary for individual course or for all the course. You can reset it. You can save settings, quit. You can install stress. I will just show you. So install stress is not available. I think it is a free version. With paid version, the stress is there. So stress is nothing but an application to stress your system, and you can check out some benchmark. It will show us some benchmark. Test the system and give us some benchmark how your system is capable, but it is not available right now. So this is also a system performance application, and you can monitor and improve your system performance using CPU control. CPU usage. So CPU usage is again a terminal utility application, TU application. So it works in terminal and it will show us the instantaneous CPU performance. Then class will we have check color. Let us check. So color is very important. You can add the color profiles like Adobe color profile, then ICC color profiles here. So for that you will have to install the color profiles package from the repositories. It is available in the Debian repositories that you will have to add. Then only you can add the different ICC profiles, Adobe profile, then sRGB profile and all those things. Then community user forum is there. So this is the user form. You can fill it up and you can join the community of Modicia OS. And these are some FAQs, do's and don'ts, everything. You have to read through that and then join the user community. Then you have got the contact assistance. So how to contact the developers of Modicia OS. That is given here. You just check it out, and I think that is nothing but this last page of contact. So this is it, and you can contact your developer of Modicia OS and get help from them. Now, what is control network? I think it is a network control application. Let us see what it is. It is not working properly. Yes, LAN share is still there in the system. I will quit it. Okay, so it is not working. Then control total up dove bit. Let us check what is this. I think it is showing us the network performance, how much upload download speed of the wireless connection that I have got. Okay. Then what is this convert all? I think it is a audio video converter application. No, it is for converting the different units. So any technical units or scientific units, you can convert from one unit to other unit. For example, ampere to milliamperes and that kind of thing. Horsepower to kilowatts and all those kind of thing. You can do it here. It is a good addition. What is curlew? Let us check this out. What is curlew? So it is a multimedia converter, and you can convert different file formats in other file formats. You can merge the files. So you can check this out for yourself. I am not going in much details because there are lot many applications. I cannot just finish in 1 hour also. It will take 2 hours. Then what is curlew audio? I think it is only for the audio files. And that other one curlew was, I think, for the video files. You can check it out for yourself. What is this? CZ Kauka, I don't know what it is. Okay, what exactly it is? So I think it is to check the checksums for big files. And you can also find music duplicates, find similar videos. So it will search your directories and find empty files, temporary files, similar images. So you can deduplicate the images. You can check out which big files are occupying your hard disk. So this is a system maintenance application, CZ Kauka Hiccup. So I am coming across this for the first time. So that's it for this application. DCP player, DCP-O-matic. Let us check this out. This is some cinema player. Okay, so it is a cinema player. And DCP-O-matic, I think this is also some cinema player only. Let me check about. Okay, so it is free and open source DCP creation. So it is a cinema movie creator, and the other was a movie player. The application we saw earlier was a movie player, and this is the movie creator. So it creates the movie files in a specific media format. Digicam, disk image mounter, disk usage, disk document scanner, document viewer. Easy tag is nothing but to add tags to your music files or video files. F3D we have seen, it is a 3D drawing viewer. File roller files is there. Let us check out the files. So let us check about that. So it is a Nemo file manager 6.4.5, and all the features of Nemo file manager will be available here also. FileZilla is there, file credits, Firefox ESR, font manager, font selector, font viewer, font forge, fonts, file search, GDB package installer we have seen, gedit, glabels, label designer, that we can check this out. GIMP we have seen, the GIMP is also there. So you can create your labels. I think this is CD DVD labels. I think you can create it here. Then this is GIMP, Google Modicia OS. Let us check this out. I think it is the Chrome or what. Okay. So you get information regarding the Modicia OS, specific information regarding Modicia OS using this application, Google Modicia OS. Okay, so you can search for more information, history of Modicia OS using this application. Then you have got gparted, grc, grub customizer is there. Let us check out the grub customizer. You have to input your password because it is a very highly sensitive and destructive application. You can make your system unbootable if you do any mistake here. I think there is some issue. It is not working with my password, sudo password, top secret password. It is not accepting. But I will soon release a video on grub customizer, so you can check that out how it works. I think it is. I have done it for Ubuntu or Linux Mint. I don't remember the video is there. It will come up in next 1 or 2 months. GuitarX is nothing but an application for the your guitars. Guitarist 2 applications are there. Handbrake is nothing but a media format converter. At stop we can see. You can see here it is just 1.25 GB of memory is being used out of the 3.8. 107 tasks are running, 358 threads are running. Load average is 2.53 to 2.92. Uptime is 26 minutes. So it is very healthy system. Everything is working normal and there is no erratic load in the system. Then image mosaic wall. Let us check this out, what this application is. Okay, you can create a mosaic of wallpapers using this. So you can create a mosaic of wallpapers or any images, custom images or your own images, and you can create a mosaic wall, and then you can use that mosaic wall, for example, as your wallpaper also. So that is this application which is used for creating the mosaic walls. Gnote is nothing but a note taking application. Then Imagination is, I think, some photo editor or something like that. Yes, I think it is a photo editor. Let me check. Yes, slideshow maker. Okay, so you can create slideshows out of the images that you have got. That's great. Then Krita, Cadenla, you know, Jack Mixer, so everything you know. Info Modicia we have checked. What is that? Now let us go for the extra fonts, how to install that. Okay, so it is asking for confirmation. It will install the extra fonts. I think it will be MS fonts, Microsoft fonts, extra fonts, those will be installed. So while it is installing, let us go ahead. We are not going to check out this LibreOffice, everybody uses it. We are only using going to check any new applications, specific applications which are available in Modicia OS. Then you can check this out. MKV, okay, mesh viewer. What is mesh? Yes, media info. So media info will give us the information regarding any file. So the file metadata will be shown here. If it is available in the file, it is saved with the file itself. Then mesh viewer. What is mesh viewer? And mix. Let us check these 2 things. Mix, I think, is some kind of player or what. I think it is some kind of player. It is not opening up, very slow. And yes, so it is a music player only. It is asking us to select the music folder. So it is a music player. And meanwhile, let us check out. Yes. Okay, so it is not just music player. You can create, it is a mixer. You can add effects to the music. There are samplers, mic aux, and big library of music effects will be available here. So it's a good application for the audio professionals. And the extra font installation is still going on. So we will let it go in the background. Let it proceed ahead. So here check this. MKV tool needs, so I think it is for the editing of MKV files, and I think it will help us to add tags to the MKV files that we have created. So you can check out the FAQs for yourself and know more, and you can add information to your MKV files. You can add the information to header. You can add chapters to the very long MKV file, job queues and job output, everything is there. All features required for the metadata input and output for a MKV file is given. So now OBS Studio, Nemo file manager, everything you know. Now what is Natron? Natron is some kind of maybe player, media player. Okay, let it open. Let us check out the Natron. Compose editing software. Okay, so it is for video edition, image edition. So you can use this. So videographers, photographers might find it helpful. Okay, so now let us go ahead. Online accounts is nothing but Gnome online accounts, PDF arranger we have seen, photo college we have seen, Pinta. Let us check out what is Peak. Okay, so you can record your desktop actions as a GIF using this. So it is an application. I will just show you the about section. It is coming, it is very slow. System is now become slow now, it is freezing. Okay. Okay. So it is an animated GIF recorder. So you can record any action, any action on desktop or any particular. For example, if you want to say record any instructions, for example, how to open a file or any instructions for users, you can record it as a GIF and then you can share, or you can you can put it on your web page or any, or you can put it on your shared drive, and others users can use that GIF to know more how to use any particular thing. For example, how to use some application, you can create GIFs, and the GIFs, using the GIFs you can educate the users how to use that application. Okay, so extra font installation was successful. Okay. Plank, this is the plank doc that is at the bottom. So plank is there. Power management is nothing but the your Cinnamon power management, preferred applications, print settings. So everything is Cinnamon desktop. So that we are not going to check in details. So we can go ahead. Quick jack control and everything that I will. This is nothing but a way to control application, to control the jack. So you can do the settings for the connection, jack connection, the latency settings and everything. All these things are in the jack connection. which different ports the jack will go, where from where the input will come, where the output will go, everything that you have to use the jack control and the jack receiver. QSynth is application for this audio professionals. Plank dock we will just check, and then qubit torrent I am not going to check. We already know qubit torrent, everybody has used it. So it is not opening up, I think. And let us check out Pinta. What is Pinta? Okay, so Pinta is nothing but something like GIMP image processor. Yes, create and edit image. So it is an image processor just like GIMP. You can check it out for yourself. Photo collage is nothing but your photo manager. Let us open Plank. Plank is also, I think, not opening up. It is not responding. Then what? Yes, RAM and CPU usage. Let us try that out. So it is another TU that is terminal utility. It shows the RAM usage in terminal, and it shows us instantaneous RAM usage in terminal. Okay. Quick settings. Okay, very nice. So here in this Modicia OS control panel, you can install WineHQ with just one click. So if I click it here, it will install the WineHQ. Just I will show you. Do you want to proceed with the installation? You can install and remove WineHQ from here. Let us install this. Input your sudo password and the installation will go ahead. There is an issue with the password. Let us see whether it works now. No, but you can go like this. You have to input your password. Okay, exit. I will just close this. Okay. For example, now if you want to configure that is enable or disable RAM, ZRAM, you can use this. So I will enable the ZRAM. Input the user password. I don't know why it is not working here. By login, the same password was there, but you have now got the idea what is this. You have to enable or disable the SSD trim from here. What is syncing service? Enable syncing at startup, disable syncing at startup, start syncing now. So syncing is some service that we will check later. App image MI. So you can install app image, remove app image using this application. So it is asking you the app image that you have downloaded in the folder that it will use to install it on your system. Okay, so great. Wi-Fi driver installer. Let us see. So there is no Broadcom or Realtek. It is not there because it is we are working in virtual machine. Fast preload. What is that? So you can activate preload and deactivate preload. So what is preload control? That I will make a separate video. Additional fonts we already done. So I am not going to check this. Kernel, let us check this out. And there is an issue with this password. Damn. You can see here. There is an issue with this password. You can see it is not working, but it is working during the login. So there is some issue with the system itself. What is Wine Dark? Let us check this out. Do you want to install dark theme in Wine? Okay. We can install that. Now what is, yes, so this is the configuration for the Plank dock at the bottom. So you can change the dock appearance, Plank dock appearance at the bottom. Bleach bit, grub customizer. Let me do it. So grub customizer is there. It is not working here also. What is file fs check? So I think it is file system check. To check whether the file system is okay or not. You can do a support request from here. NVIDIA GPU, let us see. Yes, so you can detect your NVIDIA GPU. Let us check this out whether it works or not. But I don't have GPU pass through, so I think it will not detect any GPU. Let us see. Okay, so yes, no GPU detected because there is no pass through given. But this is the way to install GPU here. Very easy to install the NVIDIA GPU in your Modicia OS. This is the swappiness. You can enable, disable the swappiness. You can enable swappiness 60% or you can enable swappiness 10%. So both options are available. By default, swappiness in most Linux distributions is around 60. And when you go for audio, video, professional work, you have to make the swappiness as 10. RT checker. Okay, RT checker is should work. Yes. It is installed. None. Candidate is 6.12.57. Here you can see the version table is 6.16.3. So these are the latest RT kernel. Then this 6.12 is older one. So two 6.12.57 and 6.12.48 is available. 48 is I think the oldest one RT kernel. Okay, anything else? Update all. Let us see if updation is there, if the password works or not. So they are using Nala. So Nala is a wrapper on the apt package manager, and it introduces some more feature, make it feature rich. So it is pleasant to look and it gives more information during the installation or uninstallation of packages. So any package operation you are doing with Nala, it gives ease of use, it looks better, and it gives more information than the apt package manager. So it is a wrapper on apt package manager. Let us check out on the audio what it is there. Yes, so here you can do the audio advanced sound or audio configuration here. Okay, and now what is this kernel? I think it will show us a list of kernels available, and you can then install the kernel of your choice using this application. Defrag file system. So everything is not working, but because of this password, but it is there anyway. We cannot what we say, we cannot show you all the applications working because that will make the it will take very long. Now let us check out the theme colors. So you can go with the light theme. Okay, I think we require to log out and log in to make the light theme work. Okay, anything else is there that we have checked everything, I think. Even the risk hardware. Yes, let us check this hardware. It will show us the hardware information. Yes, this is just like what we see in the Linux Mint. So it shows the hardware information. Okay. And what is this system rescue? I think this is system rescue. So system will try to rescue automatically using some scripts. So that's it. This is very good one. Control panel. It has got a lot of functionality. Okay, so we have done up to here. RAM CPU, raw therapy is nothing, but I think let me check. Let me check this. While the raw therapy is opening, let us open other application. Okay. Okay. Where will we? What is this application? Let me check. Okay, why we opened this? I don't know. Maybe we clicked some wrong application. Yes. Royalty free libraries. Let us check this out. So raw therapy is nothing but a photography editor. So it is a photograph editor or photo editor, just like your GIMP. And you can add color labels and everything to the photographs. Fast export, batch export. So you can export images. So it is a photo editor only. Okay. Pixabay. So here you can use this images for your wallpapers or any other professional work. So these are free images from Pixabay. You can use this for your professional work. So those were available from the royalty free media libraries. So we clicked here and that opened up the Pixabay. So this is run command. We have seen Rust Desk, that is I think some client. This is the screensaver screenshot. Size of install packages. Let us open RustDesk. So it is some chat client, RustDesk. Let me open. Okay, so it is a remote desktop. So RustDesk I have not used, but it is a remote desktop, just like TeamViewer. Okay. Size of install packages. It will show us the size of install packages. Okay, so here it is showing us in terminal. So it is a TU application, terminal utility, where you can see the size of applications in the terminal. So lot many applications are there, and slow-mo video is there. You can watch the video in slow mode. It allows you to change the speed of the video clip based on a curve. If the speed becomes higher than 1x, then exposure shutter effect simulates a motion blur. For lower speed, frames are interpolated with optical flow. So some technical details are given how it works. Sound juicer, sound recorder, this is all recording applications. Stressor we have seen. Stress system control, that is I think not available because the stress was not working in the stressor also. Sound juicer is nothing but I think some metadata application to edit and view the metadata for the media files. Let us. Okay, so this is some system stressor. We are not going to use this because it might create a bad effect on the virtual machine that we are using, and it will stop our work. Synaptic package manager is given. System info is there. Synthing web UI. What is Synthing web UI? Let us check this out. While it is opening, let us check out the other applications. Speed network. Telegram desktop is there. System settings. System monitor. So system monitor will be nothing but the Cinnamon system monitor. Okay, so it is not working. It is trying to ping the system adapter. Telix, we have seen Telix is a terminal. System info we have seen. Video trimmer. Let us test the system speed. So it is nothing but a speed test by Okla. Around 19 Mbps speed is there. System settings we will check. So this is nothing but the Cinnamon system settings. So we are not going in details with this. We already know, we have checked this out many times. What is usage Modicia? Okay, so trimming output. So I think it is a network. It is showing us the disk total, network total. So it is showing us the usage for the system. This is I think the idle and wait times for CPU. This is the disk usage, network usage, paging usage, and the system usage. Okay. So it is a terminal monitor, not terminal, system monitor. Okay, sound user we have seen. Okay, we file video user guide. So you can click here and check out the video user guides for Modicia OS. USB stick formatter, USB image writer is given. Telegram desktop is there. WhatsApp is there. Web browser, VLC media player, notepad, XN convert. So I think it is a media format converter. XN view MP, Yoshimi is there. Wi-Fi driver installer we already checked. Virtual keyboard we have seen. So all applications we have seen. Lot many applications are there here. So okay, so I think we have checked out all the applications here. Took a long time because lot many applications were there. Now anything else is there that we require to check? Yes, we have checked all these applications. In preferences also, this is all typical cinnamon settings, so we are not going in much detail. So all cinnamon settings and features will be available here in preferences. You can see it here. I'm not going in much details. Administration also, you can see we have seen all these applications, we have used this. So I think we have checked out everything. Now let us check out if wallpapers are there. Customize, let us customize this. No wallpapers, I don't think wallpapers are there here. Let us open the system settings. Yes, what we can do is we can use wallpapers. No. Let us go to the, we can use settings. Oh, it is typing us in Hindi. I don't want that. Quick settings, system settings. Let us open system settings. Themes is the highest, backgrounds is there. Let us try. Yes, so lot many wallpapers are also there, so we will go quickly through the different wallpapers that are available here. So jelly, this jelly effect is there. Beautiful wallpaper, futuristic looking wallpaper. I think these are all 2K or 4K wallpapers. Yes, this is also nice looking wallpaper. We'll try to check at least 10-15 wallpapers. So the tiling is also working here. Okay, nice one. This one is beautiful wallpaper, Milano. Okay, then this one should be good looking. Yes, this is also good looking wallpaper, penguin wallpaper. This one is also nice one. Yes, superb wallpaper. Very nice wallpaper. Wow, very nice. Then this one is also very nice looking wallpaper. Superb. Wow. Nice one. So lot many wallpapers are there. We will not be able to see all the wallpapers. This is also very nice looking wallpaper. Wow, this is also very superb looking wallpaper. Superb. This is also a dark wallpaper. I like this. Nice one. So beautiful wallpapers are there available here in Modicia OS. I think we have checked out everything. All wallpapers we have checked out, and I think we will stick with one wallpaper. Camera wallpaper. I think I will stick with this. This looks stunning. So that's it for the Modicia OS. We have checked out the Mac Cinnamon desktop, and I think it is properly working, except for this sudo password which was not working. Everything else is working. We have checked out all the features and everything, applications, tools, utilities, everything is working except the sudo password. So that's it for the Mac Cinnamon desktop of Modicia OS, and the developers of this Modicia OS must get very good credits and our admiration for creating a beautiful looking and very functional operating system for the professional audio video creators, and it is also good for students and professionals alike. For example, professionals means, I mean, those who go to work in office. So those kind of people also, this operating system will work, as well as it will work for the audio video creators. So on that note, I will stop the video here, and in the next video onwards we will take up a new Linux distribution. So see you then. Bye bye.